Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, if you're a Twitter user, you might have noticed today a big outage of Twitter. So this is something that happened that lasted for a couple of hours before it kind of came back to normal. And it is interesting as they're not giving any details of why and how the outage happened. Even though things have come back, there's a lot of people that are still complaining about the fact that the Twitter itself is kind of slower than it was. But overall, it is working as I just tweeted, and I can tweet on my account, and it seems I can see everybody's tweet from the past few days. So it's back to normal. So it was actually giving out a message that said, oops, something went wrong, but it's not your fault. And they were investigating. They investigated. It's interesting, these companies should always tell us what's happening. We're talking about, transparency and how, like, for example, Rogers here in Canada should have been a little more open about what's happening. I think these companies, including Twitter, should always have, I think there's something happening with this or that. All they're saying is there's some kind of internal problem. And they stayed at that. Well, yeah, there's an internal problem. And that's it. So, nope, you're not the one that had the problem if you couldn't access the Twitter account that you have, or any Twitter accounts that you might be following this morning. It's something that lasted a couple of hours and came back gradually. And like I said, if you find that Twitter is a little slower than usual, some people are still complaining about that right now. So I guess that would be part of the reason. Probably still some little lingering problems here and there that are happening. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.